New tonight, WCPO 9 is digging deeper into why no criminal charges are coming to the person who shot and killed a man after an alleged road rage incident in Lebanon. A driver shot and killed Andrew Rainey after he allegedly approached a car there. WCPO 9 News anchor Brett Bugansky shows you why Ohio's stand your ground law and inconsistent witness statements played a role with the grand jury's decision.
I just saw a guy get shot.
They are the 911 calls from June 17th in Lebanon.
He got shot?
Yeah, it looked like a road rage thing.
Where the Warren County prosecutor said somebody cut off Andrew Rainey as they were driving north on bypass 48, but it turned violent at a stoplight on US 42.
He was walking up to this guy's car, and he took a swing at the guy, and the guy shot him.
Rainey died at the hospital, and the driver also called 911 after the shooting.
Are you involved at all? Yeah, I shot a guy. He tried to punch me.
But witnesses gave multiple descriptions of Rainey, including calm to angry and aggressive. One said Rainey got shot with both hands up after Rainey grabbed the hat off the head of the driver. 3 witnesses said Rainey got shot after he punched the driver in the face. Another said Rainey repeatedly punched the driver in the head. 2 of them said Rainey threw one significant punch and got shot after trying to punch the driver a second time. The Warren County prosecutor said he believes, based on the inconsistent versions of what happened and Ohio's stand your ground law, the grand jury decided to not file charges in this case. Warren County prosecutor David Fornshell said when it comes to Ohio's stand your ground law, it's now the state's burden to prove beyond a reasonable doubt the person was not acting in self-defense. A person is presumed to be acting in self-defense when they're in their car, and a person no longer has to retreat before using deadly force when acting in self-defense.
We all feel that Andy was a victim. Shy of saying he was murdered, but he was shot and he was weaponless.
Rainey's friend Angel DeLeo told us last month it was difficult to believe his friend of 20 years would be the aggressor, adding there could have been a misunderstanding since Rainey wore hearing aids in both ears and was hard of hearing.
When he spoke considerably louder than most other people, so I could see how somebody might confuse that for him yelling.
In Lebanon, Brett Bugansky, WCPO 9 News.